front of me is Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and click on privacy section. Then you need to choose app lock, click on this switcher next to app lock feature and click on settings in the pop-up. Now click on use a different password type and choose one of those login methods, apps your app lock one. I will go with pattern. Then enter it, repeat it and answer this security question. If you don't like it, you can always click on it and change it by tapping on one of those. But if you don't like either of them, you can always choose custom question and create your own. Remember to save it by choosing confirm and answer it correctly below. Now set up recovery email over here, click on save and tap on this checkmark at the top right corner. Finally, tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to lock, like Chrome. Now when I go back, try to access Chrome app. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!